Welcome back to another video of Minecraft. I'm hungry. What is this place? What is this place? Where am I? Just kidding. I'm in Minecraft. Yes, that's right. I'm in Minecraft again. So, hey, wrong one. I almost hit quit there. Let's not do that. So, hi guys, Javon I'm here. Welcome back to another video of Minecraft. And in today's video, we will be doing, I don't know. We'll try and get obsidian to go to the nether. But that means that we have to get a diamond pickaxe. So you know what that means. We're going mining. So, let's get right into it. Dang it. I don't know why it keeps tricking me when I try to walk. Okay, that's better. I need wood. I need some wood. I need me wood. Wait, why is it like... What's wrong with everything right now? No, I turned it off. No, does that mean my recording stopped? No. Oh, yeah, it's still going. Hey, what's good with y'all? Y'alls. My phone is being very glitchy right now. I am so sorry, guys. What is wrong with it right now? I can't even walk. Thank you. It's just weird. Have the dang hiccup. What the? My phone. No! My house is blown up. No! I'm killing every single one of your creeper friends now that I see. Oh, thank God he didn't blow my stuff up. Okay, so let me get my pickaxe. Shuffle. Let me move my sword over here. Let me put that right in there. Perfect. Oh, not the right place. I keep having the hiccups. Wait, actually, let me do one thing. Wait, this doesn't seem the same. I'll take it though. I don't know why I skipped those trees over there, but I don't know. Okay, so let's start going mining. Don't want to look up there. Let's start going mining. Right after I... Oh, my bad. Close. Thank you. Keep having the hiccups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wait, why am I jumping? Okay, there we go. Is my brother singing outside? He just came back up. He's getting ready to come back up. He was just Charm carriage review. Guys, go subscribe to her. And yeah, subscribe to me too, please. Thank you for the views on my videos, guys. I really appreciate it. Just tell me your YouTube channel name and I will go over to your... I'm so sorry, I have the hiccups. But I will go over to your YouTube channel and I will subscribe to you. I like the oak door more than this one, so. You. Break. And looks. You know what? No. Okay, well I'm gonna move. You know. Yeah, I'm gonna move to a better area. We're moving. We're moving, guys. We're moving. We're moving, guys. We're moving. Yes, we're moving. I don't know how I'm going to fit all this stuff in my inventory, but yeah, no. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold everything. Well, I could throw out the useless stuff. Or leave the useless stuff. Hi, Jamar. Hi. I don't know why we're moving. I had a good house anyway. No, never mind. Why am I lying? It was a horrible house. That's a horrible house right there. And I literally just, oh, come on. I'm moving as soon as I finished it, but this is a pretty bad biome, so I'm just going to move. Wait, let me go. Hiccups, I hate it. Split controls, lefty, swap button, Okay. Now it's going to take forever to chop this down. No, I don't need them. Matter of fact, I don't need anything here except for this. Wait, what the? Oh, okay. There we go. Well, Now let's chop down this place. Or I could just get TNT and blow it all up. I think TNT would be fun.
Come on.
And a lot more faster. Do I even have gunpowder? Never mind. I'm gonna have to chop it all down. I'm gonna try and make a bigger house that looks more beautiful. This might be a whole episode of just chopping my house down, but I'll make another video. Gonna take forever. What's in here again? Do I need anything? Nah, I'm good. Oh, it's gonna take a long time. You know, I'm just gonna... never mind. I might be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Whoa. I will not have enough time to chop this down in 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna start going. Remember my ways, son. Remember, get out of here. Okay. You know what? This seems like a great flat area to build a house. Like right in this area. Okay, well I better hurry up. I want to try and make a biggie house. Okay, well guys, that'll be it for today's episode. Next episode, we will be building the house. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this episode today. Cause I sure did. Packing up is a hiccups. Packing up is a huge thing. It's cool. If these hiccups don't stop. Okay, well. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I sure did, and episode, I wasn't even watching it, but okay. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. So peace. Peace out. Right after I place this block. Okay, peace out.